Ibaki kweli. Your Excellency, AB represented by the Chief of Staff. I am here representing the people of IGBANKE. IGBANKE is 6 autonomous kingdoms wrongly bounded in Edo State in 1991. There is a natural boundary that bounded us out of Edo State, but out of some political mischief, we were placed under Edo State. Today, we are supporting the creation of Anioma State under Southeast political zone. Thank you. We have submitted our memoranda during the public hearing at Enugu State, Akwa Ibom State, and Bayelsa State. And our memorandum is very clear that we don't want to be in Edo State anymore. Yes. We don't have any affinity when it comes to names, language, culture, trade, or whatever. Our local government, which is Anioma, we don't have access to it. Before we can access our local government, we have to pass through 2 different local governments, which is Umuode local government in Edo State and Agbo, a castle in Edo State. We can't continue.